for joining us. I'm Mike Allen. Governor Asa Hutchinson has been frustrated with the rate of COVID-19 vaccinations in the state, but he and state healthcare leaders think it'll speed up in the coming days. As Fox 24's Lauren Craycall explains, there are a lot of factors that play into the distribution of the vaccine.
Governor Asa Hutchinson and the Arkansas Department of Health tell me a lag in data reporting is to blame for why we've received more vaccines than we've vaccinated.
There's a challenge anytime you're trying to get a new system in place to vaccinate.
Arkansas has only used a little less than 30% of the vaccines it's been given. But Governor Asa Hutchinson says that number is inaccurate.
Partly it's because there's a 3-day delay in the inputting of the information.
And the other issue?
We're still working with some entities to transmit their data electronically, so we have some bugs to work out.
Dr. Jennifer Dillahay with the Arkansas Department of Health says hospitals are close to using up all their shots, and she expects pharmacies to follow suit once they get their vaccines this week.
I think that the data lag is causing people to misperceive that the vaccine's not being deployed.
But nursing homes have been a different story due to many factors, including getting consent forms and training staff.
It's not like things aren't happening, they just take longer, and they are moving forward.
We expect this to accelerate in the coming days and weeks. We're working very hard.
Governor Hutchinson says the goal is to have everyone in Phase 1A vaccinated by the end of January. Stay with Fox 24 as we continue to cover where the state's at with vaccinations. Reporting in Rogers, Lauren Craycall, Fox 24 News.
Thank you, Lauren. Now, while the state is hopeful with more Arkansans being vaccinated, Governor Hutchinson says the month of January is going to be a rough one, especially as COVID-19 numbers continue to rise after the holidays.
It's going to be a strain on our hospitals, and so people continue to have to wear a mask, socially distance, and not just simply rely upon a vaccine that's down the road. We have to be cautious and careful now.
He says we have to continue to work together in order to weather this storm.